Hi, my name is Megha and we represent IndiaHeartbeat.com, which is the first medical networking website. We have medical practitioners like the doctors, hospital, path labs, allied healthcare services, etc. on one platform. So this is like the first initiative ever taken in India, wherein it, as I said, it's a medical networking website. So right now we have 55,000 plus registered doctors, about 1 million users who visit our website every now and then, about 30,000 institutions who are there on our website. And if you're a user, so you can get benefited in a different ways. For example, if you register yourself as a doctor, so you'll have a lot of opportunities, like you can practice, you can commercialize your practice, you can have a lot of networking opportunities, you can have better patient relationship and care. So you can even share and create, like we have a tab wherein you can post articles, write blogs, upload videos and share it with people around. And if you're a patient, so you can even connect with doctors through using live chat, private emails, write up, and then you can connect with them for a free advices and first piece of consultation. That is absolutely free of cost. And in fact, you can even upload your health charts, your histories, and share it with the doctors. Now, and again, if you're a hospital, you again can advertise yourself. Now imagine in India, there is no platform which gives you any kind of, there's no platform which says, okay, I'm a doctor, so you should visit me. Wherein in India, on IndiaHeartbeat.com, once you open the site, so the first thing that you see is the search and the locality. So let's suppose if you're looking for a particular specialty, so you can just enter the specialty and your area and you'll get list of doctors, right? So, and you can click on one of the options and you'll have their profiles listed there. So, and their profile would certainly have ratings, reviews, so that's the add-on advantages that we have on our site. So just by looking at the profile, you can see that where the doctor stand and what kind of placement he has in the society. And since we started this initiative long time back in the year 2009, and when we started with a very small, small space, probably with 140 cities, but in 3 months, 5 months span of time, we had around 5,000 to 8,000 registered members, which was like wow. So and now today we have huge database which is registered, and in fact we spread across 1,700 states and cities. So we are based pan India. So that's what I can say. And impact to the society, I would certainly say not only search, that's one of the thing, but for any user who's there on India Heartbeat gets an opportunity to speak their heart out. I mean, they can share their thoughts, they can enhance their knowledge, because the kind of videos that we have on our website are really, really beneficial and helpful for the patients. So you're enhancing your knowledge, you're spreading your voice across, you're knowing each other better. And that's what I would say, and it's free, so so again, you don't have to spend anything from your pocket to gain anything. So that's one thing. And we even run some kind of social crusades and campaigning on our website, which are very helpful for the patient. Like recently we had AIDS campaign or cancer campaigns and stuff like that. So of course through this we even educate our patient and people who are based in probably tier 2 regions. Well, developing India Heartbeat, I would say the only challenge that we find here is that even if there are a lot of users, internet users in India, but then there are a lot of people who are still there who are not really well versed with surfing and internet technology. So in fact, in the coming years, we had a plan, and we still have a plan to probably go to the rural areas and educate them and tell them not only about the website, but the benefit they can benefit it, the advantages and benefit that they can have while using our website and otherwise also. So that's what I would say. And Manthan, wow, I mean, it's a great platform, I would say, because when you think of internet technology, I think this is like one of the largest awards that I could ever think of. And becoming a finalist, of course, it was certainly a good news for us, indeed. And especially when we were there in the inauguration session today, I really personally felt that, yes, I mean, being a part of Manthan was a great opportunity and it's a privilege. I'm honored. That was what I would say, yeah. Yeah, thanks a lot.